Most areas require you to have some level of financial responsibility for the damages you could cause in a traffic accident. Most areas also require you to carry proof you are able to handle this responsibility. Your proof may be your insurance card, or you may have proof of surety bonds set aside for accident damages. Check out these reasons you need to always remain prepared for the worst when you are driving. Because so many people drive without coverage, lawmakers have begun to impose severe penalties for doing so. The number of accidents occurring every year involving uninsured drivers is high. These accidents usually end up costing a great deal when it comes to damages. Your damages could include medical and vehicular expenses. Although the driver you crash into may have uninsured motorist coverage, you might still be sued. In most accidents involving a driver without insurance, a lawyer and court does become included in the mix. You will have expensive fines in addition to any monetary settlement agreed upon in a courtroom. You could be responsible for hefty court costs as well. Some areas do not require you to show proof of insurance coverage during the simple traffic violation. If you do not have this proof when you have an accident, you could end up facing suspension of driving privileges and big fines. In some cases, drivers could spend some jail time. If your driving privileges are suspended due to being in an accident while driving without insurance, you most likely will remain under suspension until you have paid for all damages owed to the other driver. Consider how this could affect your job and personal life. You could experience job loss when you have no way to get to work. Many reasons support you getting coverage and maintaining it always. You will need to secure an attorney if you are charged with driving while uninsured. This is especially true if there is an accident involved as well. In some areas, this charge has steeper and more severe penalties than the first offense of DUI or possession of drugs while driving. Consider the costs of getting through this kind of charge. Maintaining coverage is by far the cheaper choice. Learn more about driving legally by talking to a qualified insurance agent. Making the right choice starts with professional consultation. Keep in mind your cost for coverage could never reach the expense of one serious accident. AutoIn's proposal puts spotlight on California's extensive regulation. You can find a summary of the factors that affect car insurance rates and details about Michigan auto insurance requirements, now. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.